are at one of the largest tire factories. Approximately 1,700 people work at this facility. The factory produces approximately 14 face tires a day, which totals about 5 million a year. This meets the needs of 10% of the Russian market. Tire production is a multi-step process. One of the main stages is the vulcanization process. It is at this stage that the properties of rubber change from a plastic state to an elastic one. It happens like this. This blank is loaded into the mold, and at a temperature of 200 degrees and a pressure of 25 atmospheres, the tire is formed.
It's obvious that soot builds up in such harsh conditions. Soot affects not only the appearance of the tire, but also its performance characteristics. It's very important to remove soot in a timely manner. Every 2 weeks, during the round-the-clock operation of the mold maker, we clean the mold to look like this. Before implementing laser cleaning, the company used sandblasting and dry ice cleaning on the mold maker. The downsides of this cleaning method are that sandblasting not only removes soot, but also takes off the top layer of metal, which affects the durability and lifespan of the mold itself. Also, with this type of cleaning, the company incurs ongoing expenses for consumables. 2 years ago, the company's management made the decision to implement laser technology for cleaning molds. Let us take a closer look at the process and demonstrate how it functions in detail. This advanced laser cleaning technology is truly unique because it effectively vaporizes soot and other contaminants without causing any damage or alteration to the underlying metal surface. It doesn't even get heated. The mold consists of sidewalls and sectors. They are made from different metal alloys, which requires a customized cleaning approach for each product. We can also see that the sector consists of many fine details, which requires very careful cleaning. So, when choosing a laser source, power was very important to meet the factory's production needs and ensure careful cleaning so that we could individually adjust the laser cleaning technology for each part.
When choosing a laser vacuum, we turn to the market leader, Ipenshin, and the expensive Repolis.
Sergey, can you tell us how the vacuum introduction process went and what the effects of the pulses were?
Well, first it was important for us to understand how well the theory matched with practice. We took the part with a dick, right on the car, up where the deposit was hidden. And during the day, we completely worked out the technology of wet stuffing on each product. We put aside the cleaned pussy on the deposit with the guides and sold the technology of wet stuffing on each product.
Sergey, in your opinion, what do you think is the main significant advantage of our equipment and beneficial collaboration working with our dedicated and skilled teams in your experience?
Of course, there are many benefits, but if I had to choose just one, the most important thing is continuous development, and your company embodies that well because you have a large scientific staff, dedicated employees who are constantly improving the current processes. We created a new econology, and we are responding to these questions very quickly together with you.
We have Danil with us, the chief expert on mold cleaning. Danil, can you tell us how many shifts it takes to clean the molds? Depending on the soot, the average cleaning takes multiple shifts. Can you please explain how our equipment is set up for cleaning different parts of the molds? Somewhere, a day guard is probably needed, somewhere else. We need to increase productivity. How do you do that?
Actually, the lightning laser system is very easy to set up. It can be set up in 2 ways. This is the power, scanning speed, and a series of our own development. It is tailored individually for each special mold. The side is forgiving, so it's chosen. We adjust settings for cleaning with the laser. The power is set lower, and the scanning speed is increased for the sector. Actually, we set a higher power and a lower scanning speed because it's always more complicated to clean than the sides. During laser cleaning, we only use the laser beam and the gun. It works with just 2 buttons. truly glad that we were able to help you and that our equipment and technology have brought new dimensions and expanded you and satisfaction. And I hope that in the future, all your guys will support you as eco-technical partners, counting on our nations always work together. All issues will be resolved without refusal.
Thank you. I'm very glad for the help.